We're finally departing for our epic 3-month adventure from the crawfish ponds of Louisiana to the mountains of Alaska. Hi, I'm Debbie, a Cajun girl who loves to travel the world. I'm very happy that you've joined us as we depart. We're meeting up with my brother and his wife. They'll be joining us for this journey. Today, as we leave Louisiana, we're having the traditional Cajun breakfast of champions, which is boudin and beer. Only we're going to skip the beer this morning. So what is boudin? Contrary to how most people who are visiting Louisiana pronounce it, it is not boudin, it is boudin, B-O-U-D-I-N. It's similar to a sausage. It's a casing filled with, in this case, pork and rice and a lot of seasoning. It can also be made with crawfish and rice. Ours is made of pork. So this is boudin. So let's have a taste of it and you can see the inside. It's delicious and perfectly seasoned. And you can see it's made of rice and meat. And again, a lot of seasoning. It's very spicy. I hope when you come to Louisiana, you'll have some boudin and enjoy it as much as I do. We're leaving the last of the crawfish fields behind. For those of you who don't know, the crawfish season is at its end, and rice will soon be planted in these fields. We haven't made it to Natchitoches, Louisiana yet, and the tire pressure monitoring system is telling us that we have a flat. Looks like the rubber valve stem went bad, and we're going to replace them all. The tire pressure monitoring system just paid for itself. There are links in our description if you need information on this system. It's a nice day to drive in Arkansas. We're in Joplin, Missouri. Our original plan was to stay at the National Forest a little south of here, but because it had been raining a lot lately and it was 5 miles down a dirt road, we decided to just spend the night at the Flying J. It'll be a little bit more convenient for tonight, and I had brought some taco soup and cornbread that we're going to just warm up in the microwave. No reservations. That's the beauty of boondocking. We are free to change our plans as we feel. Good morning. It's a brand new day, beautiful weather. We're back on the road. And if you want to continue this journey with us, please like and subscribe to our channel. Gas stops double as checkpoints as the men take a minute to walk around the rig and make sure everything is still intact. In Iowa, the fields are only broken by an occasional farmhouse and silos. Except for an occasional hill, the flatlands almost feel like home. Since we're only looking for a quick one-night stop, we decided to stay right off the interstate at a McDonald's parking lot for truckers. We're at Missouri Valley, Iowa. There were young corn plants growing in the field next to us. Last night we had a great night's sleep and we're ready to get on the road this morning. The famous Wall Drugs is located in Wall, South Dakota. There are signs advertising for hundreds of miles before arriving. We're at the visitor center for a quick stop. This is Lake Francis Case and the Missouri River. We're reaching our destination, which is Lake Byre, down a dirt road. This site has camping available both for boondocking and sites with electrical hookups. Since we have solar panels and are totally self-contained, we are boondocking. For those of you back home, this lake reminds me of Lake Dubuisson. It's getting late and we're tired. If you want to continue following our journey, please like and subscribe to our channel. See you on the road.